Hello friends, I welcome you all to my channel. Today we'll be solving one very basic simple question which is from number theory and basic Olympiad maths is concept is involved in it. Find the maximum positive integer k such that 1001 multiplies 1002 up to 1986 over 11 power k is an integer. We have to find the value of k for which this big expression is an integer. So to prove this, let n be the big fraction. N is equal to 1001 multiply 1002 so on up to 1986 upon 11 power k. So next we will be multiplying 1000 factorial in both the numerator and the denominator so that I can apply the number theory to find the quotient when it is divided by 11 power k or divided by 11 not power k. So n is equal to, now the numerator becomes your 1000 factorial, next 1001 to 1996. When you will multiply all the things, it will be 1986 factorial upon 1000 factorial into 11 power k. That means when I divide by 11, it will be an integer. So let us find what is the quotient when it is divisible by 11. Any factorial when it is divided by 11, so we get the quotient or the integer. One is n by 11 plus this integer part, n by 11 square plus n by 11 cube, so on. And we have to take the integer part. This is the concept here we have to apply. So the highest power of 11 in 1986 factorial will be 1986 upon 11 plus 1986 upon 11 square, that is 121, 1986 11 cube, that is 1331, and not more than that, because when I'll take 11 power 4, it will be more than 1986, so quotient will be 0, so I'm not taking that one. So 1986 divided by 11 will be 180. You can verify, I'm not doing the rough work here. 1986 divided by 121 gives us 16, and 1986 divided by 11 cube is 1331. It will certainly give us 1. So total is 197. And what about the denominator? Denominator is 1000 factorial. So that should be subtracted. So next I'll find the highest power of 11 in 1000 factorial. The same concept I'll apply. So 1000 over 11 plus 1000 over 11 square, that will be 121, and not more than that, because it will be 1331, which is greater than 1000, so then it will be 0, so on. So I am not writing all this 2 only. So if you divide this, it will be 90 plus 8, this will be 98. So if it would be only 1986 factorial divided by 11 power of 11, then we would have got 197 as integer. But since in the denominator 1000 factorial is there, so this when divided by 11, the quotient should be subtracted. So the total answer will be, the final answer will be the maximum value of k is equal to 197 minus 98. That will be 99. So the k must be 99 to get this expression as an integer. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not subscribed. If you are subscribed, thank you for